Hi guys, Chris here at Awesome Ford and RV. I have the 22 Lightning behind me. Okay, so we're sitting in a 2022 Ford Lightning with a standard range battery. This is the Sync4A system. There's two main buttons to navigate through this sync system, right? You have your radio button, navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, all that, right? And or the little truck in the left corner, right? So there's two things you have to think about when you're navigating this screen. Do I need to change something physically in the truck, or do I need to change the radio station to Apple CarPlay or to navigation, right? Today, we're gonna go over both of those. We need to change something in the truck. We hit the little truck. We have two settings in here, controls, right? Access, onboard scales, drive modes, and we have settings. Right, so departure and comfort, all of those things. All these things will physically change something in the truck. The little X, if we no longer want to use that, we go back to there. We're back to the main screen that you see every day. As you can see, your Sirius is up front, or up top here with your memory stations, but you also have your tabs down here. I have navigation, my Android Auto or Apple CarPlay that is connected, and my phone. So I can switch back and forth to all of them with a simple click of a button. Back to the radio. So this screen seems like a lot, but once you understand it, it's very simple to navigate. Thanks for your time, and come in and check one out.